The main difference between wills and trusts is that wills go through probate and trusts avoid probate. A will is a very simple document that is designed to go through the probate court, and a trust is a complicated document that is designed to hold the assets outside of probate court. For most people, it's better to have a trust than just a will, because the probate limit for Georgia is very low. So if you have almost any amount of assets, we have to probate your estate, which can take typically a year and can cost thousands of dollars in attorney's fees. You can avoid that by setting up a living trust before you pass away. Wills are generally very similar, but there are many different types of trusts. The two main types of trusts are testamentary trusts, which are written into a will and do not avoid probate, and living trusts, which are outside of a will and do avoid probate. For most people, the cost of creating a trust is lower than the cost of creating wills and going through the probate process. Unfortunately, we have to go through the probate process when you pass away and when your spouse passes away. So creating wills is cheaper up front, but in the long term, it ends up costing your family time, money, and heartache. You shouldn't attempt to write your own will or use an online will, because legal advice is vital to creating a will. There are many different implications that can arise if you don't make the correct decisions. There are very few circumstances where people can write their own will and it functions as well as a will written by an attorney. We have extensive experience with wills and trusts. We write those every day. We've been creating those documents for years, so we know all of the details that need to be documented, and we can help walk you through the decisions that need to be made. During your initial consultation, we'll gather some basic information from you so that we can help you decide whether you need a will or a trust, and then we'll go through the process of deciding what documents you do and don't need. Wills and trusts are the main documents that we create, but there are a multitude of associated documents with those that can help your will or trust function properly.